Hi, I'm Kristen Kane in the Sun Sentinel newsroom. Are you looking to explore Florida's nature trails and greenways? The state's tourism marketing agency, Visit Florida, has launched what it calls America's first state trails tourism website. It has detailed descriptions of Florida's trails by city, activity, trail length, or surface, and there are interactive maps that can help you find outfitters, hotels, campgrounds, and restaurants. For more info and for the link to this website, head to our website at sunsentinel.com/SFL.